is on the tip of everybody's tongue at the moment, thinking, oh my God, has crypto's died? Is this the end of the crypto world? Is Bitcoin going to zero? To answer all of those questions, well, and a few more, I'm sure he's in here with me at the moment, and he's not ducking for cover at all. G'day, Shukri. How you doing, mate?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
Well, it's not going down, it's not going up. But
it's just
is this the beginning of something, or are we just having a little bit?
Yeah,
of a
let's look at the charts. I mean, don't look at the immediate pattern, because you will go crazy. Let me show you what happened. Yeah, like Jules said, right? When Powell spoke, okay, he's probably more powerful than Elon now. Good to know that. Good to know that. There's somebody more powerful.
Wow, is that possible?
That is possible. Look at that. Look at what happened after the Fed. Look at that. Look what happened after the bond yields. So after the dots, yeah, after the dots. So again, it is stuck in this vicious range here, right? So again, hopefully this will form a higher low, but don't look at this. If you want to go into crypto, you have to look more deeper and look at the longer term pattern. So again, you have to remember that 2021 is 1 year after the Bitcoin halving of 2019. Let's look at the past two Bitcoin halvings. 2013, first Bitcoin halving in 2012. Look at that. It went down also, and then it went up towards the end of the year. Okay, so this is, okay, it seems to be following that pattern, although this was very, very extreme. This freaked a lot of people out. And I think a lot of people missed this. Now, this is what happened in 2017. Look at that, same thing. Going down and then going straight up. So the thing is, does it freak people out? And of course, you know, Geoff, you guys got a bank. You know what a bank run is like, Geoff? I never experienced one, but crypto, there was a bank run on Friday. The world's first large-scale crypto bank run. I don't know why they did this. This was on reserve system, and the peg with the US dollar broke, and the crypto went down from $64 to 74 cents. Well, went down to zero. So that's what's happening here. So, you know, looking at this chart is very frustrating. Looking at this chart looks good, but don't be convinced by all of this, because this is the future. We must ask ourselves, hey, what's going to happen in the future? Is there going to be a DeFi summer? You know, which is about pools. Is that really going to happen? Well, I'll show you. So I showed this in the free wallet show. I said I went to this IDO. It's on DeFi. I haven't seen this in a long time, Geoff. This is my account. It went up 10 times. So I'm cool. My 500 became 5,127 in this Powell and in this bank run thing. So I'm good about that now.
Okay, hang on. Wait. So you were shorting Bitcoin? Is that what you're saying?
No, I was buying this. This is a DeFi coin. This is a new one called Formation.
Oh, sorry, I didn't realize what chart you're on. Okay.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, see that? So this is a new one. So, you know, the new listings are still doing well, which is relative, okay? Because some say, no, that's not doing well. We had 100 times last time. Okay, we had 100 times, but now we're only seeing a gain of 1-2 times, or even going below the offering price. But this one went 10 times. So I see.
Actually, can I just again intervene? I'm sorry for intervening, but just to understand, more so for me than anybody who's listening, I'm being completely and absolutely selfish here.
Yeah.
You've always said to me, since we crossed paths, I don't know how long ago, it seems like 100 years, but you always said to me, if Bitcoin is crashing, or the major coin is crashing, the altcoins are the place to be. Is this the case?
Yeah.
Still the case?
Okay, there are pockets. It's not broad-based. This is why, Geoff,
selective
in a bear market is just not fun. I'd rather not be there, because you have to find the diamonds in the rough. I found them, but it takes hard work. If this were like a permanent thing, I wouldn't want to do it. But yeah.
Okay, so what you're really saying is if you aren't into your space,
Yeah.
then you're probably better off just not playing in that space.
You won't find it. I guarantee you won't find it. It is very, very difficult to find. Now, this is 10 times. Now, okay, I think relative to crypto person, they said only 10 times, but that's fine. So if this were 2-3 months ago, I think this would go 100 times, 50,000. So you could buy a house. But guys, now at least you can rent a house. So, you know, we're in the transition phase from renting the house to buying a house. That's how I put it. That's how I look at it. So are there things?
Did you say 150,000?
Yeah.
Where do you buy houses for that? Malaysia.
Malaysia, yeah. If this were a good time, this would go to $50,000. And now it's like $5,000. So in $5,000, which is 20,000, yeah, you would get a good place in Malaysia, you know. But you rent. You have to rent.
What's a good? If you said if this was a good time, what's a good time?
If this, a good
now I'm
time,
putting the pressure. Now I'm putting the pressure on. When's the next good time?
The next good time, I think, is in July and August, because what we need to do, again, what we need to see is Bitcoin going up and recovering, and then Bitcoin just not going anywhere, because that is what would bring people to the market. That's why for now, you still look at pretty much Bitcoin, and I would like it to see somewhere here, and then just really not going anywhere much, or just go up high and then not going anywhere much. This is the pattern of last year. So this was good, right? This was good. See, look at this, Geoff. This was when the alts were moving, see? Because Bitcoin was going like, okay, within that. So we need that. It needs to move up, and then it needs not to go anywhere, because I know crypto is weird. See, Bitcoin is like the super goal of crypto. If Bitcoin keeps on going up, people would just put money into Bitcoin. Just like that.
Well, we've seen that, haven't we? Through the stimulus packages.
I know, Geoff. Look at your experience, right? For you to go in a Polkadot leading coin like Kusama, it was very difficult. You see, even if you wanted to do it, it was very difficult. People would have said, "I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to go into Bitcoin. Never mind. Who cares?" Fair.
Look, it was really easy just to stake the rest of these. It only took me about 8 hours to do it. My godfathers.
Correct.
This is not for 65-year-olds.
It will come. It will come. But that's the fact. People will just want to go Bitcoin. So we just have to wait until Bitcoin breaks out of this range and not go up so fast. Okay. I'm sure a lot of people want me to say, I want it to go up so fast. No, you don't want that. You really don't want that. You want it to go and just go nowhere like this. This is good. We need something like this again.
Yeah, look, that's no different to anything at the end of the day. If you're investing it, unless, of course, you've just invested in it. Of course, you want it to skyrocket, but it's not healthy at the end of the day. It won't give you long-term returns.
No,
mate, thank you so much. We will see you, of course, through the week in all of the shows that you participate in, including your own, which is on Monday and Wednesday at, I'm not sure of the times now. You've changed a bit, haven't you?
Congratulations, how Geoff did it.
Yeah, Tuesday we'll investigate that. That'll be very, very interesting. Thanks.